Hey everybody, this is Brad from ShadowTrader.net, and today I wanted to share with you how to use Fibonacci retracements as targets. Now, first things first, Fibonacci retracements can be used for both longs and shorts, but in this example, I'm going to actually give you two examples. I'm going to show you how I'm using Fibonacci retracements as targets for my short trades. Now, the first trade I'm talking about here is DR Horton, obviously one of the builders. I've been short this thing for a while. That's not the important thing. I've been short since over $120 a share. But the key thing I want to talk about here is, well, where do you get out? Where do you cover? And as traders, you should have some kind of idea, some kind of game plan of where you want to cover shorts, or if you're long, where do you want to sell longs? And in this case, I am going to share with you part of the logic and game plan of where I look to cover. Now, this is a 1-year daily chart of DR Horton, and basically the low is back in October of 22, and of course the high is up here in July. And basically what I do, since I have a longer term outlook, and again, let me just say one other thing, depending on your time frame, I don't care if it's an intraday trade or a swing trade that could last weeks or months, Fibonacci retracements work in all time frames, okay? Are they perfect? No, nothing's 100% perfect. But as a trader and investor, you should know or have some kind of idea of an exit strategy, unless, of course, you're Warren Buffett and you buy and hold forever. But people watching this video right now are generally not in that game, in that camp, right? They want to get in, they want to get out, they want to make money. So anyway, what we're doing here, as far as like a target, I'm putting the Fibonacci retracement from the low of last year to the high. And as you can see here, we've already hit a 38.2% retracement. My next target is a 50% retracement and a 61.8. Now, again, as you can see, we haven't hit that yet, but I've been telling people in the room, and this is why it's important. This has been a short trade, like I said, that I've had on for a while. And as a trader / investor, where do I want to look to cover? And again, it's a Fibonacci, folks. Using a 50% retracement from the low here to the high here, I feel very comfortable of trading and covering around $100. I'll probably take half off, and then I'll look for a further drop to the mid 90s for the 61.8. Okay. One other example, real quick: Chipotle. I have this stock short. I did the same thing. I'm using the 52-week low to the 52-week high. And as you can see there, we almost hit that target Friday of 1761. The low was like 68. And by the way, I've been talking to the listeners in the room for weeks about this. So this is very important stuff. It's not all after the fact, hindsight's 2020. Folks, I've been short Chipotle from up here. And then, of course, we did hit a gap fill here, which that's a totally different video. But when we covered Chipotle, we covered here on the gap fill. Okay, but then the next retracement is that 50% retracement and then the 61.8% retracement. So like 1760 and then basically 1660 to 1665 is my next downside target for Chipotle. So again, hope it helps, but this is a way to use Fibonacci retracements for targets in your trading. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.